Do you want to condense the time that it takes to become successful? Okay? So, in my observations, there's a few key things that you need in order to start moving forward a lot faster in your life. Okay? So, um, there are two main things. I'm going to share the first one, then I'll share the second one in a couple minutes, when it makes sense in time. But you have to be able to have one lead generation activity that is leveraging and getting more leads in the door while you are not actively doing it. Okay? What does that mean? So if you're always chasing one lead, that means you have to go and do message centers or you're in the Facebook DMs and you're talking to specific people. Once you stop doing that, your leads are going to stop. And then even then, once you're, like inside the message center talking to people, oftentimes the people you get on the phone from actually that method are not going to be high quality targets because they don't know enough about you. They either haven't seen your content or they're just there to get free information, which, is a funny thing depending on, how much information you actually want to give away on a consultation call. But, you know, you have to be able to learn how to go and leverage these different social media platforms to be able to give you leads on autopilot. Now, I used to hear that and I'd be like, oh, it's BS, man. You can't just go get leads on autopilot. Until I started learning from a mentor who actually does this, and he showed me the exact steps that he uses to get leads on autopilot. And then it was just like, it can't be that easy. Of course, right? And then I started utilizing and started working it for myself, and then it was like, oh, shoot, it is that easy. So I've been doing all this work, all this messaging, all these videos, all these blah, 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 all these written posts, all these different things, and it wasn't getting me the success that I wanted until I started making this shift and learning how to not have to apply 1 unit of energy for 1 unit of result. Instead, nowadays, it's 1 unit of energy for maybe 5 or 10 units of result and output, okay? And that's why I'm able to work a lot less. That's why I can shoot videos just like this and actually, just start giving away my tips for, to my clients and for people inside of my group, okay? The second thing I'm going to tell you about in a couple seconds. So, a good story about this is that once you understand exactly how to... Okay, cool. So, who do you think is going to win in a race? A person who, Usain Bolt, who can run, 40, I think it's like 28 or 40 miles an hour, somewhere in that range. I can't remember exactly how fast it was. It's just super fast, right? Or a car. Okay, before, when I was doing all this stuff by hand and I was trying to get everything manual and I was trying to just put in a lot of force, yeah, I was Usain Bolt. I was running fast. I was, getting some clients doing that. Then I had gotten into a car. I got into a vehicle that allows me to be able to get leads on autopilot. Okay, it's not easy to be able to get that to work, but it is very simple what you need to do. Maybe you've been trying to do this on your own, like how to get these leads on autopilot, but you just can't figure it out. I've had clients who've been trying to do it on their own for about 5 years, and they started working with me, and within about 2 to 3 months, they started being able to actually just go, wow, this is what I've been looking for. I'm so glad that I took the chance and got on a consultation call to actually start working with you, okay? Now, I'm not asking for you to do that right now, okay? Because I think that it would be easier for you to come to me in a place when you're actually at a little bit higher and actually getting results, right? So what I've done for you is I've been able to go and create a thing called a group. Okay, what that allows me to do is allows me to go organize the data in step-by-step, bite-sized pieces so that you are able to actually digest them, implement them, and actually start getting some results, okay? The reason why I have to do it inside of a group is because when you just post something to LinkedIn, regular, you might see videos out of order, and then the order's going to get messed up, then you're getting overwhelmed, and then it's just not going to work for you. So that's why I have everything set up in that group. And also it provides a filtering method, to filter out people who are not serious about actually improving their lives. Because a lot of people, they have the lip service of, I want to get better, but they don't actually want to do the easy work to actually get where they want to go in life. They just want to say it. So if that's you and you don't really want to get better, that's okay. But if you actually want to go and change your life and move forward, I recommend you go join the link and join the group inside of the description either above or below the video. I don't know where you're seeing this video, so it might be in different places. Okay. So, hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to share this video with someone who can benefit from the information that has been shared. Take it easy. Talk to you soon. See you later. Subscribe and sayonara.